You still need a big $3,000 desktop to create, edit, or draw like a pro. Not anymore. These new tablets are so powerful, portable, and creator-focused that they're replacing full workstations and changing the game for artists everywhere. If you're buying these amazing products, the link are given in the description. So let's begin. iPad Pro M5. The iPad Pro M5 is officially in laptop killer territory, and Apple isn't playing around this time. Powered by the new M5 chip, this tablet delivers raw performance that honestly feels impossible for something this thin. Whether you're editing multi-layer 4K footage, designing full illustrations in Procreate, building 3D scenes, or running desktop-class apps side by side, the M5 barely flinches. It's fast, cool, and ridiculously smooth. Then there's that tandem OLED display. Not hype, just stunning. Blacks look ink-deep, highlights pop like HDR mastering monitors, and the color accuracy is creator-grade. If you work in motion graphics, digital art, or visual media, the screen alone makes other tablets feel outdated. Pair it with the Apple Pencil Pro, and gestures like squeeze, hover, rotate, and tilt make drawing feel natural in a way no other tablet matches. Is it pricey? Absolutely. But if you want the most polished, powerful, and creator-focused tablet in the world right now, the iPad Pro M5 stands at the top. No competition. Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra takes everything creators and power users loved about Samsung tablets and turns it up even further. With its massive 14.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, this tablet feels like a portable studio. The colors are punchy, blacks are deep, and motion looks incredibly smooth thanks to the high refresh rate. Whether you're sketching, animating, editing videos, or running multiple apps, this screen pulls you right in. Powered by the Snapdragon flagship chip, it delivers desktop-class performance, handling heavy files, multi-layer art projects, and demanding software without hesitation. And the S Pen with Wacom tech? Still one of the most accurate stylus experiences on any device. Zero charging required and insanely low latency. But here's where Samsung steps ahead. DeX mode. In one tap, you get a full desktop interface with floating windows, keyboard plus mouse support, and pro-level multitasking. Pair it with a keyboard case and suddenly, your tablet feels like a laptop replacement. For artists, creators, and mobile professionals, the Tab S11 Ultra isn't just a tablet. It's a portable powerhouse built for real work, real creativity, and real performance. Lenovo Yoga Pad. The Lenovo Yoga Pad is one of the most versatile tablets you can buy. And honestly, it doesn't get the attention it deserves. While most tablets stick to the same flat slab design, this one brings a brilliant built-in kickstand and grip bar, letting you use it in ways other tablets simply can't. You can stand it up like a mini monitor, tilt it for drawing, hang it in the kitchen for recipes, or hold it comfortably for long reading or streaming sessions. The high-resolution display looks crisp, colors pop, and paired with the Lenovo Pen, it's surprisingly great for sketching, note-taking, and creative work. Battery life is excellent, the speakers are loud and clear, and its flexible design makes it perfect for content, study, or travel. If you want one tablet that adapts to you, instead of the other way around, the Yoga Pad is a smart pick. X Pen Magic Drawing Pad. The X Pen Magic Drawing Pad is one of the most surprising tablets for artists who want pro-level drawing performance without spending big. The first thing you notice is the textured screen. It gives you that paper-like friction, so your pen strokes feel controlled, natural, and expressive instead of slippery like glass. With 16,384 pressure levels, your lines respond incredibly accurately, from super light shading to bold strokes. Colors look rich and vibrant thanks to the wide gamut display, and the battery easily lasts through long, creative sessions. What makes it even better? The pen never needs charging, and the interface stays clean and simple, so nothing interrupts your flow. For digital artists who want serious precision on a budget, the Magic Drawing Pad punches way above its price. Wacom Move Ink Pad Pro 14. The Wacom Move Ink Pad Pro 14 is the tablet artists have been waiting for. The one that finally brings Wacom's legendary drawing feel into a truly portable, standalone device. This thing is built for creators who don't want to be tied to a studio desk or a giant pen display, but still demand pro-grade pen performance everywhere they go. You get a beautiful 14-inch OLED display with deep blacks, rich color accuracy, and buttery 120 Hz response. Every stroke feels crisp, alive, and ultra-natural on the screen. But the real magic is the Wacom Pro Pen 3, 8,192 pressure levels, tilt support, customizable grips. It feels like drawing with a real tool, not just a stylus. And here's what makes it even more powerful: Pen Display Mode. Plug it into your laptop or desktop, and it instantly becomes your Cintiq-style drawing monitor. Studio mode, travel mode, all in one. Battery life isn't the longest, but if drawing feel and creative precision are your top priorities, the Move Ink Pad Pro 14 is one of the purest digital art experiences you can hold.